And you can see plenty of buses outside. All right, they're Fairfax connector. And you see that? And those routes are 615 and 622. So we'll ride the Fairfax connector to Springfield Town Center and to Latte this summer. It's gonna be in that case. Here we are. Look, this is, and here comes all buses. See that? It's coming through here. And I'm just at the bus stop. We're waiting on 1C. See that? It's starting for Fair Oaks Mall in Boston. And you can see all of the Fairfax connector coming their way. Look what's coming through. Here it comes. It's 662 for Vienna Metro. It's coming through here. It's going to be stopping over on that corner for Vienna. Look, there's another one coming right around the corner. There's going to be a Metro bus coming for 1C over there. There they come. There it is. It's stopping over there. Look, there are two Fairfax connector buses. Look, it's leaving. And I'll come back here for 2B right when I come out of Freddy's this summer after the Q bus. I really think so. Look, it's coming a little bit quick.